So why personal training?
So personal training is personal, right? And for me, it starts with building confidence and showing up and doing the things you said you were going to do. So at an early age, I did struggle with confidence, and training in the gym and doing workouts and exercise, or even just playing sports, was my way of building confidence. And now I get to help other people have that same experience and build their own confidence through physical and mental health.
What were you doing before this?
So before this, I was a corporate banker, sitting down all day processing loans and helping business owners around town start their businesses or expand. But long story short, I wasn't having a great time. I wasn't active. I wasn't helping people the way that I truly enjoy helping people.
What are some of the perks that come with this job?
Some of the best perks, some of the most rewarding parts of this job is you have financial freedom, you have time freedom, you have location freedom, you have freedom of expression. And but by that, I mean, you get to decide how you show up to work, how you dress. It's the uniform that you choose to wear. You get to create an environment for each and every individual that gives you their time. And you can decide if someone needs their energy brought up or if someone needs their energy brought down a little bit. You get to train people all over the world. You get to coach people from where you are. You could be at home, you could be at a coffee shop, and you're in full control of how much you make. So you set your own prices. You decide what your hour is worth. You decide what your time is worth.
What's the best part about being a personal trainer?
Well, the best part about being a fitness coach is it's so rewarding. It's the best job in the world. Seeing folks actually get better and seeing them get healthier, seeing them move better. The best part is honestly their feedback is when my clients share their wins with me, when they tell me they went to their doctor's office and their health markers are looking a lot better. They're being taken off of medication. They're not having to get surgery or invasive work done. When my clients tell me about how they are able to go to the theme park with their kids and carry them and not get tired or not have that back pain. The best part is when my clients tell me that they're performing better at work or they're having more energy and time for their spouse. The best part of my job is seeing people's personal lives get better as a result of the work they put in the gym and also through their nutrition.
What would you tell someone who's thinking about becoming a personal trainer?
Yeah, becoming a personal trainer is the best and most rewarding job in the world. You just can't be lazy.
Do you regret leaving your corporate job to become a personal trainer?
Absolutely not. To be honest, yeah, at first my peers, family, and friends thought I was crazy to leave my corporate job, good salary, benefits, 401k, and all that to be a personal trainer. But I have zero regrets. I wish I would have done it sooner. I honestly wish I would have done it sooner, but everything happens for a reason and at the time that it's supposed to. So yeah, I mean, the life I live now, I could not have imagined being able to create the lifestyle I have now, being in a corporate job versus being my own boss, running my own business, coaching people. And dude, I mean, like, you get paid to help people win. So it can't be better than that.